Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not new and you're back for more videos from me, thank you so much. You guys are the best, the best. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this top. It's been a while since I've done a sewing tutorial. I have this new series on Instagram and TikTok where I recreate some items that are on my Pinterest board because it's been a while since I've sewn anything at all. And so the time when I was consistently sewing, I could keep up with my skills and all that. So I'm just trying to use these to brush up on my sewing skills as well. So yeah, if you guys are interested and you want to see how I made this beautiful top, stay tuned. Very easy to make actually. This is something that even if you don't know how to sew, you can make by yourself. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the video. So this is the fabric. I'm just trimming the hands because I want it to be more uniform. And I plan on making the waistband about 3 inches or 3 to 4 inches. So I am cutting the waistband right now. I also made sure that this waistband is long enough for my waist measurement. It is long enough and even more than my actual waist measurement. So I'm going to trim the excess off later. And the rest of the fabric is going to be the main bodies of the top. It is about 79 inches long and about 22 inches wide. Just as the sky is blue, just as your blood runs red, my love for you stands true. I did cut the rest of the fabric into 2 equal parts and now I'm just hemming the edges. Once I am done hemming the raw edges, I'm going to now work on the waistband. I'm going to mark down the middle of the waistband and then I'm going to be placing the 2 large pieces on the waistband. It's the end of the weekend, So I would be overlapping the two large pieces because I wanted to cover my bust area very well. If you want the plunge neckline really obvious, you don't have to do the overlapping. So I'm just overlapping for about 3/4 of an inch to about 1 inch. I think my overlapping is about 1 inch actually. And so I am going to also insert my bust measurement. So I divided my bust into 4, and then from the center of the fabric where I have done my overlapping, I am going to insert my measurement divided into 4. My bust is about 42 inches, and so I am placing this to be about 11 inches each because I wanted to cover a little bit of the side as well, like extend to my armpit. So the two large pieces I am placing from the middle of the front part of my waistband and then extending it for 11 inches on both sides. If you want, you can decide to organize the pleats, but I'm just going to go ahead to sew this down to make like rough gathers because I really don't need it to be too tidy looking. I mean the pleats. So I just did this pleats roughly by myself. And now that we are done with that, we're just going to now fold over the waistband and sew that down as well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm sewing down the other part of the waistband together with the fabric, with the other two large parts and the front part of the waistband, if you guys get what I mean. and then you extend that up until the end of the waistband.
There's no doubt that life's worth living now that I'm with you. My heart is open wide. Just think of all that we could do. Can we take this love a little higher? Let me make your load a little lighter. My love, promise me forever, my love remains forever and ever. I'll always be forever. I love you. Now forever. It won't change. Now forever. Yes, I do. I love you. Take your hand in Don't know why, but I'm here somehow, and you're already waiting. Right before you sat me down, I was counting the exits. I know what you will say. Looks like I'm listening closely. I didn't mean to say maybe
So I did trim off the excess from the waistband like I mentioned before, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and hem that as well. Next I am going to be inserting my hook and eyes. So this after I tried this on, I feel like I should have used press buttons instead because they feel much more secure. But this is the one I got, and I think I'm going to be changing that later on. So if you guys want to do this, I would just rather suggest that you get the press button because you have much more security that way, because this is the only thing holding the band to your body initially before you do the wraparound of the infinity straps.
open for someone to stay till the morning. Well, think I need to go. 'Cause my friend is calling and it's an emergency, so I really have to go. I'm so sorry. How wish I like you when you look at me like that. But if I'm honest, boy, you're wasting all my time. Oh, how I wish I like you and could look at you like that. Far from the left, I'm the only one tonight. I hope you find her. I know it's not me. I know you'll find her. How wish I like you when you look at me like that.
So yeah, once that is done, the top is ready to style. I have styled this a couple different ways. This is how the top looks like.
And could look at you like that. Far from the left, I'm the only one tonight.
Anyway, this is the top. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did the wrapping around and styled it different ways, and then you're going to be able to see on the side how that looks like styled. I am also going to still make a video of me actually wearing this with other items, different items, because in this video because in this video I only styled it with this pair of denim. I really want you guys to see other ways that I can actually have fun with this top. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you for coming. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.
Just as the sky is blue, just as your blood runs red, my love for you stands true. Please let me take your hand. Where only our love could keep us from falling. Now and forevermore. So in love with you, and I'll always be forever. Those seasons change, my love remains. So in love with you, and I'll always be. Those seasons change, then now forever. There's no doubt that life's worth living now that I'm with you. My heart is open wide, just think of all that we could do. Can we take this love a little higher? Let me make your load a little lighter, my love.
That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm also going to be uploading an additional video where I actually style this top with other things, other items in my closet, because I had that vision even while picking up the fabric of how I plan to style it. So yeah, look out for that video next. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed and you're here up until the end, obviously you like it here. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you know when next I upload. Thank you, guys. Bye.